Hey Davon, reporting live from Sockeye. You left your GoPro in here, so we're just, saying hello.
Hey Davon, we'll give it back to you at the end of the GRSD. We gotta go.
Bye! Hey Davon, me and Shaylin just finished our drive.
We're back.
Pretty awesome. Now we're in the office with Meg. Meg, what do you have to say to the camera?
Hi Davon, you're very missed here. We've all been talking about you. We've been telling stories. I don't know what to say anymore.
What is your wild light of the day, Meg?
My wild light. I don't have one. I got a burrito and I ate it.
That's such a wild light. Are you kidding me?
Thank you.
I take that as a wild light. Your what?
Oh, my wild light is that I can make my eyes go in different directions. Wait, I'm gonna show you.
What? That is your wild light.
Okay,
Should I hold the camera?
Yeah. Hold on.
So you can focus? That was really good.
I can't do that. I'm under pressure. Hold on. Why do I? I'm getting stage fright. Okay.
Camera shy.
Holy smokes.
That's actually so unreal. That's my wild light of the day that Meg can't even do that. Preston, do you want to be in the video?
Yes. Davon, this is your manager, Preston. That's my phone on the floor. I have no news to deliver. Thank you.
What's your wild light of the day?
Wild light?
Yeah, like highlight, low light, wild light, but I only want to hear the wild light.
I've never heard of wild light.
It's like fun, random.
I've heard of rosebud thorn.
No, it's much different.
Okay. I got much smarter today, and the company's about to make a lot more money.
Facts.
So, there you go.
That's your wild light of the day. Autumn, anything to add to the video?
No.
Shaylin, wild light of the day?
Wild light of the day. I lost Frosty for 5 minutes and then I found him.
Oh, fact. Alright, bye. See you next time. Wait, we have to close out. We have to all no, we have to
Are we
smack.
clapping? Oh.
No, like this type of thing. Okay.